Before you turn 40, there's something you need to understand. Time becomes more valuable than money. Mistakes become more expensive. And financial freedom becomes harder to achieve if you delay the right moves. The good news? If you start making smart decisions today, you can completely change your financial future. Here are 9 powerful money moves you must make before 40. Money move number 1. Build a strong emergency fund. Let's start with the foundation. If you lose your job tomorrow, if a medical emergency hits, if life suddenly throws you a curveball, would you survive financially? Before 40, you must have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in cash. This is not investment money. This is not spending money. This is peace of mind money. An emergency fund keeps you out of debt and gives you control when life gets unpredictable. Money move number 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debt is a silent wealth killer. Credit cards, payday loans, and personal loans can drain your income every single month without you realizing it. Before 40, your goal should be simple. Get rid of toxic debt completely. Every dollar you send to interest is a dollar stolen from your future. Once debt is gone, your money finally starts working for you instead of against you. Money move number 3. Invest consistently, even if it's small. Many people delay investing because they think they need a lot of money. That's a lie. What you need is consistency. Small monthly investments, made regularly, can grow into massive wealth over time, thanks to compound interest. The earlier you start, the less effort it takes later. Before 40, investing should be a habit, not an option. Money move number 4. Increase your income, not just your savings. You can only cut expenses so much, but your income has no real limit. Before 40, focus on learning high-value skills, starting a side hustle, freelancing or online income, negotiating your salary. Saving is important, but earning more accelerates everything. Wealth grows faster when income increases. Money move number 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is where most people fail. They get a raise, buy a better car, upgrade their lifestyle, and stay broke. Before 40, you must learn to control lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. True wealth is built quietly, while others are busy showing it off. Money move number 6. Protect your money with proper insurance. One accident, one illness, one unexpected event. That's all it takes to wipe out years of hard work. Before 40, make sure you're protected with health insurance, life insurance if you have dependents, disability coverage. Insurance isn't an expense. It's a financial safety net. Money move number 7. Take retirement planning seriously. Retirement may feel far away, but it comes faster than you think. Before 40, you should know when you want to retire, how much money you'll need, how much you should invest monthly. The earlier you plan, the less stress your future will carry. Your future self is depending on the decisions you make right now. Money move number 8. Track every dollar you spend. You can't fix what you don't measure. Most people don't know where their money goes, and that's why they struggle financially. Before 40, build the habit of tracking income, tracking expenses, following a simple budget. When you control your money stops controlling you. Money move number 9. Think long-term, not fast money. Get-rich-quick schemes are everywhere. Crypto hype, day trading fantasies, fake online gurus. Before 40, you must learn this truth. Real wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Patience, discipline, long-term thinking. That's how financially free people are made. Final message. Turning 40 without financial stress is not about luck. It's about preparation. The money moves you make today will decide how you live, how you retire, and how much freedom you have. Start now. Be intentional. Your future depends on it.